Hi, today I will share you how to migrate system to a new drive without using third-party software. The complete process can be divided into 4 parts shown on the screen. Let's get started from part 1, creating a bootable USB. First, download the media creation tool. Open the software. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process. Eject the USB flash drive for later use. Navigate to the part 2, format the hard drive intended for backing up. Connect the backup hard drive to the computer. Right-click on Windows icon, then select Command Prompt, Admin. Type disk part and press Enter. Type list disk and press Enter. Find the disk number based on its capacity and name. Type select disk 4 and press Enter. Type clean and press Enter. Type create partition primary and press Enter. Type format command and press Enter key. Go to the part 3, back up the system to the backup disk. Right-click on Windows icon, then select Control Panel. Click Backup and Restore Windows 7. Select Create a System Image on the left. Select the right hard drive for backup. Check the partitions you want to backup. Confirm your backup settings. Wait patiently for the backup to complete. Finally, let's check how to restore your system to a new hard drive perfectly. Remove the old system disk, replace it with the new hard drive, and keep the backup disk connected to the computer by USB port. Insert the USB flash drive. Reboot the computer, then enter the BIOS settings. You can find boot menu key from this table. Select the USB drive as the primary boot device in the boot options. The process of system restoration can be completed by following the on-screen prompts. Wait for the restoration to complete patiently. Restart your computer, and you can run your system on a new hard drive now.